episode of Insane TV. Today I'm restoring my custom 1970 Pontiac GTO. Right now we're sanding, but this will be the first episode of this build series, and let's get started. When you're restoring a car, one of the most time-consuming parts is sanding and bodywork. I've been working on my car for probably about a year and a half, and I'm still not done with sanding. All I've done, I've stripped the car, took all of the interior and exterior parts off. It started out without an engine, and there's just a lot of work that goes into restoring a car. So if you think you're going to restore a car, don't just think it's going to be easy, like one of those 7-day projects you see on TV, you know. It's a lot of work, and over all that work, I'm almost finished sanding. I've sanded my entire car, and all I have left is my hood right now, and then I just have to do some body work. We're going to weld a panel onto the quarter panel because it's rusted out there, but otherwise, the next step is either painting and engine work and transmission work and all that. We also have to do a lot of suspension work, and so all I really have right now is the body. It's a lot of work ahead, and hopefully you guys are gonna like this series, so stay tuned for more. There's a couple spots right here and here, and then there's another one on this other side, but that's what I'm working on right now. There's a couple rust spots, but otherwise all the other paint is off of the hood, and we should be cooking now. I don't know what's really next, but we're close to getting ready to paint. I'm not sure when that'll happen, but I'll keep you guys updated. So we'll see in a little. So right now this is what the hood's looking like after I'm mostly done sanding. There's still a couple spots like this spot right there, full of rust, and then there's that spot, but for the most part I'm almost done with the hood, and we should be ready to start welding some rusted out pieces onto the quarter panels. I think we should be able to get there today. If we won't, that should be in the next video. But this is the progress right now, and it's coming along pretty good. So hopefully we can get this done pretty quick and start getting to the fun stuff. Okay.